All right, we are now on some practice recognizing whole steps and half steps. So we're going to label the pairs of notes on the keyboard as separated by half or whole steps. We're going to write the letter names for both notes, including flats and sharps, and then draw them on the staff. So here's our first one. Is there anything in between these notes here? There is not, so that is a half step. Let's check the letters. Remember, find the two black keys, one to the left, that's C. So we know the one on the right is going to be C. What comes right before C? B. Okay, let's take a look at this one. We have, remember, all right, it's C, D, and E. Well, I know that's E. And then we're going to go ahead and go one down and say that's D sharp, and that is a half step because there's nothing in between. I just hit the microphone, that's fine. All right, let's draw those on the staff now. So we have a B and C. Here's B, here's C. Then we have D sharp and E. Here's D sharp, and here's E. And you can finish the rest of those. Go get my grabby hand. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to write the letters, including flats and sharps, for the pairs of notes on the staff. If two notes refer to the same key, we're going to put 2 dots on that key. Then we're going to draw the dots on the keyboard for each note and identify the pair of notes as enharmonic, or separated by a half step or a whole step. So A, got to write the letters. That one is G, bass clef. This one is A, still bass clef. Now we're going to draw dots. Here's G and here's A. Remember, this is C, B, A, G, F. There they are. Are they half, whole, or enharmonic? Well, they're not the same note, so we can cross out enharmonic. Do they have a note between them? They do. This one right here. Therefore, it is a whole step. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to do this one here. We have a C and a C sharp. C and a C sharp. Here's my C. Here's my C sharp. Is there anything in between them? There is not. Half step. And you can do the other 3 on your own. Then finally, we're going to identify these as separated by whole, half, or enharmonics. Still refer to the keyboard. We'll use this one, or you can draw your own, whichever you prefer. We have C and B. Let's take a look at the keyboard. Here's C. Here's B. Anything in between them? Nope. Therefore, half step. And you can continue the rest. Remember, we also have enharmonics if they're the same note. That's why. All right, that is your practice review.